Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for Jamuna for this side again. 1 o'clock for Equinox at Tori House. This afternoon we go take una, we enter for inside prison for New Bell. We get plenty thing then we'll go talk am. So Tori for this afternoon, now only for inside New Bell we go sit down. But other small top Tori that we'll get am for this side. We go turn back for that fire. Where it take cash for some hostel for that side, so for Tico, where they call them say Maryland. More than 40 people there now, so they no get house. For Sikase fire, it burn the house. Plus, walk away, Tico, walk away, it be make consul general for Nigeria. It be take and go for Tico side, for go talk for people there for Tico say waiting. Say, make the tie hearts as well border they don't lock. Say until peace, it turn back for country, border, it go open again. Inside Tori for this afternoon, make una no forget, say we go turn to talk Tori, where we combi them, brother them where they did for newspaper side, they write them to today. All the one and so, now we go try for talk on this afternoon. Big part talk, is say waiting. The only thing where you take and go bush, it give you court, you carry and turn back for house, na colas. I say the only thing where you take and go for bush, it give you cut. Then you also take and turn back for house. Nakolas. We want to say big thank you for A2 game for that side, so for Isokolo for Limbe. And they come back small time. Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. Are we glad again for joining us for this chapter 2 for inside number 3 day for the week. Tori for this afternoon we concentrate now for inside prison for New Bell as well Tori House it be day for inside day. Chapter 1 now for see as well picking them where they catch them when a small picking them where they catch them for inside crime for Palava prison now inside New Bell than that. The small picking themselves they day for school, yes. They day for school, themselves they learn for inside a prison. Yes. Even as well they day for prison country people them, they never abandon them. They also learn book for inside prison. Now for Sika Wider way they get their own section when now only small picking the way they day for inside. Teacher says a day for inside country people them, teacher a day the way it teach them. So that then say the fish don't to write exam like any other picking them where they did for school for outside prison. So now the life that for prison for these young boy them, the one the way they catch them where they get hand for inside palava for thief or palava some kind small thing. So just for sabi same, governor you know forget that kind of one them say they did for inside class they did learn and according to teacher where they teach them. In say last time when they be write exam, they be pass fine. Now it means say na picking the way they get sense. But now how the man put their hand inside palava thief so that they catch them, put them for inside that time. Now the big question that. So now like that for the small one them where they catch them for Sika palava thief, teacher he did them. He teach all them for inside class. After they say they join, they are come with them for write exam. So for inside prison for New Bell. Another chapter where we enter for inside, we enter for seaside where these prisoner people then they sleep. Yes, general for outside, it go look dirty, but for inside, oh boy, prisoner people they live fine, pass some of we will day for outside. When I see them, all them they sit down for one bed, they get their bunk bed, television there for inside. Even air conditioner they day. You understand? Now for 10 we say some of you there for you, even fan, we will not get them. See prisoner man the bed. They enjoy. A day for his correct bunk bed. See television. They even get flat screen. See I'm not television that. They enjoy television for inside the room. It is see room for prisoner people. Then someone they get a private television. It is see private television a flat screen. No na any kind one. The one you see air conditioner. You see then see how people they no go thief their life for turn back for prison. You decide what they enjoy. Now prisoner people they are place where they sleep. Someone they get na private. They feel they do their private. See, I'm not the blind day for all color, they don't cover. So that they feel they do their private thing. Well, whether they want born or they want do it in that one no look on me. But you see, now so prisoner people then they enjoy. See flat screen. Some of you no get flat screen for our house. Prisoner man get flat screen. he get air conditioner, then he dey sleep comfort. And now understand why when they catch some of them, they dey lie for turn back for prison. For Sika say they sabi say life is sweet. Even Guantanamo Bay sef. Hey, New Bell is fine o. New Bell is fine. I say some people they no get TV for their house. You see how prison they enjoy? Air conditioner dey. I say air conditioner dey see flat screen. Then all man get small fan again for corner E. Hey, I see her now. I see why when they catch them, they lie for turn back for day. See private television. They want get a private television. They look at you one. You see am? Hey, that one get a private fan, air conditioner. They fan today. Now it means say the boy they fine, enjoy their life fine. Yes, that one alive. Now prisoner people than that. You understand? Now prisoner people than that. Now the room know about yes, what plenty. Make we go for another chapter for inside New Bell prison. Now big markets. I say business way dey for inside prison. Big market way dey for inside New Bell prison. Now market this. You see am? Nadine, if you look the market, you go confuse with normal market for outside. See am? Now market that for inside prison. Now for tell you say thing that dey happen for that prison one that they see and so. When they see only for outside. See, body fish dey, plantain sef e dey. All fine chop. See market, e just dey like normal market for outside. If they tell you say na prison this, you go deny. But na prison this, I say na prison this for New Bell. Market e dey. All man e dey for a business place. You see them? They dey like people that they dey free. See business wey they dey do am. They dey make handbag. They dey make bag them. So now all the small business in this way, prisoner people they dey do am. It means say they no dey idle. Then another side na sewing machine. They get their sewing machine where they dey sew people then clothes. You see am? Now sewing machine place where they dey sew fix people their clothes for inside. Now for 10 city prisoner people they enjoy hairdresser self e dey. Yes. Now go there than this. When they catch them for outside, they bring them when a hairdresser them. They do am. You see am? All thing is there for inside prisoner people them. Now for tell you say prisoner people they fine. You understand? They fine. This side they call them na Texas. They make nadika na iron thing so. You see am? Na thing where Papa got, na sense where Papa got, he don't give them. So prisoner peoples they fine. Last chapter for inside New Bell. Make we enter for powerhouse. Place we chop in the commot. You understand? Now powerhouse that. Make we enter for powerhouse for prisoner people there. Yes. Powerhouse. They get their people there, they cook. You see them, no? They prepare. They prepare for cook. Yes. All them. Now so people them for inside there. You understand? Now come be them. Now then this. Now all them so they join hands so cook. And Sabi say when you come into old man, you must respect old man. Then time for mala. You see time for mala how we put they come. They take mala na for line. All man don't stand up for line. They want a conchaff. But their own conchaff corn plenty pass beans. Yes, corn plenty pass beans. Conchaff. Corn plenty pass beans. The guy they vex. Say now who's gonna chop this? Say how do money give them chop way corn plenty pass beans? Then they say na conchaff. You see as you said they give them chop? They say they chop over small. They chop conchaff. You see am see that one they talk so now who's gonna think they say that no na chop. Say corn plenty pass beans na how? See people there they cook. You see am? So life for inside prison, see life for inside prison, na different level. Life for inside prison, na different level. So now waka that way we take waka for inside the prison for New Bell. Now for talk say life a day inside in the proper. I see why when they catch some of them, they glad for go back for day. Enjoyment day. Tico na fire that where he burn house, he left more than 40 people they now so for outside. Fire, it burn more than, how many room there? It burn more than 12 room there for that side for Tico country people. And they talk say no man no sabi how this fire take happen. Now for that side self way they call and say Maryland hostel for Tico side. Inside the house you get family people them and you get 7 future doctor them where they learn for day. How many people they say they can't stand up put their hand. We no be there for them for help. Yes. Where you no be there for them for help at all. You see, no? Now fire where you don't chop all thing. Fire burn all house. They no come out even one thing. They say the money where you don't waste for seeker the fire, it pass more than 1 million. Yes, it pass more than 1 million for seeker this fire. How many people they only can stand up put their hand for waste? They look place. They say fire don't too much. It be bad. We remain for inside Tiko to country people them for talk this palava waka we Consul General for Nigeria for Northwest and Southwest. It be take make am for Tiko side. It be then a time for you for meet up with Nigeria community people them for Nigeria for Tiko side them. Yes, make we enter for the palava. Mohammed Azika, as well as the season Consul General for Nigeria and for Nigeria for people them for Southwest and Northwest. And Ngwashe, a big man for that side, DO for that side, so for Tiko, they call in Asongwe Cletus. He talks about Nigeria people, they stay fine for inside Tiko. And he say Nigeria people then they respect plenty. But the big problem now, so Nigeria people they get for that side and say they don't lock border. So for Sika that one be net, the worker again. But for on top that one, Consul General Mohammed Azika, he talk for a country people then say waiting. Say make the tie heart. So take peace, he turn back for country, for Cameroon, then be net, he go worker fine. So now they talk that way, Consul General, he go talk for a people them, where they stay for that side, for Tiko, and he talk for them, say make they hear commandeer, where country where he look at them, he don't give them. Say make no man, he no throw hate. Say any man wey throw hate, he dey wash his hand, come out on top like a Pontius Pilate. You see, I know Junju for Nigeria said he be take come out. You understand? Junju for Nigeria said he take come out as we Consul General he come. We go take una now so for Misole, country people them. We take una for Misole, na village for Dibamba sub division, Sanaga Maritime division. Yes, we take una go for them. These people them, Misole, it means say banana way don't ripe. Yes. Make we take una enter town for Misole. They say na banana way it don't ripe so country people, but Misole. It no get no nothing. Yes. And I do if you enter for inside there, if you enter for this, if you enter for Misole side there. Okay, make we take style so we enter, we go surely turn back for Misole tomorrow for morning time. We take una talk Toriwe newspaper, they take talk. For Guardian Post for this afternoon, Guardian Post will come up for today on Wednesday. It talks a university for Boyam. It don't start for give picking them tests for English. It means say the new picking the way they enter for university, where they no get O-level the English university, it don't give them tests for see whether they fit pass English. Sabi say first time university, if it talks say all picking the way they write GCE O-level, they must to come, or picking the way they write na GCE, they must to come with English, but now admission condition, it don't change. So for inside the Guardian Post for today, they talk say Bamileke people them, na the office for them. Bamileke people them, they don't talk say plenty segregate, it happen. Say now one of the things that way they write big letter, they send them for Popo for inside this arraignment, so country people them. So now some of the top to read and that where Guardian Post he get them. Advocate where he come out today, the advocate where he come out today when Wednesday country people them. Strong number for on top the advocate wey come out today, waiting he did them. Advocate, he talks waiting. Manga Williams, he don't talk back for Njol Litumbe. Waiting Njol Litumbe talk before Manga Williams, he turn back for ye. If una buy the advocate for today, una go sabi waiting way, he take talk am. Nouvelle Expression for today. Strong number for Nouvelle Expression. He talks waiting. Palaba for Hiho Eloplane, he don't come out again. So just now, people them for inside presidency, they don't start for make investigate again. For Sabi waiting, the true thing way, it take pass inside that MA60, where if it takes so, it get accident. So just now, presidency, don't start. Another story for Nouvelle Expression, they say Basogok, go be for Ndamba for Cameroon and Zambia for this Saturday. Basogok, where they don't call na Bitan Clarence for replace Basogok for inside that palava. We enter for the messager for today. Messager will come out today. It talk say Popo, he don't last come out outside. Yes. Popo, he don't last talk. Nothing that messager they ask him. Sabi say yesterday Popo is signed book, and inside this book, he change some people there for inside ministry for external relation. Other to read than the day where messager to he take carry him today. You buy him, you go sabi some of the to read them for inside. Make we take una go for mutation. Mutation is the take we go for that side for Ezeka. Ezeka, they tell we say waiting. After accident, we train a craze for number 21 day for October moon 2016. Ezeka Dela say he don't get some blessing. that blessing na waiting. They say gold e dey for Ezeka. So even small pikin them, they know they go school again. All man if they want go find a gold. Other people they come up for outside to for go find gold. Now some of the small tori than that 12 number where he enter for meter somewhere come out. This today way na number 3 day for the week. Last story newspaper will enter for inside this afternoon country people them. Now one way they call and say Cameroon Tribune. Yes. Cameroon Tribune, it talks waiting, big change, it don't happen. Yes, I said big change, it don't happen. Cameroon Tribune, they talk na palava, the book where Popo is signed yesterday, where it changed people them so for that side, so for ministry, for external relation. Then so for Cameroon Tribune, they try for tell we say after the bilingualism commission, it takes time so it work out for ministry them, they say change, it don't start happen for the way they make book them for the ministry them. But another big problem dey. The problem na say waiting. They get for see how they go the look at people the way they come for that ministry so that they fit get tori or document them for all the ministry them for the two languages. So now some of the top tori than that way Cameroon Tribune it take carry and so today. Country people them now so we take see country one way Equinox story what people then they gather around plus one way we come be them where they work for newspaper they take gather and so country people them. If you dey on top table, now for tell you say make you chop fine, appetite. Ambassador, you go turn back for some time. On a whole and tight.